Okay, remember the Christmas tree collar that I told you guys to go run and get at Michael's? This is one of the boards. If you do not have one, a 10 by 22 inch board would do. It's 10 inches high, 22 inches long. And I am just applying Antique Villa from Wise Owl with my small Klingon brush and just giving it a good coat of the white. Once that was dry, we found these stencils at Michael's. They're those screen stencils, and I did have to cut it to fit the area that I wanted to apply it in, and it says, all you need is love and a good cup of coffee, which I thought was really cute. These stencils are quite inexpensive. I want to say that we maybe paid $4 or $5 for this. They are reusable. And they're very easy to work with because of the screen. And we just use a foam brush to apply. And of course you want to put very little paint. But anybody who does have issues with stencils and the bleed through, these may be your solution. These give a very, very crisp line when you pull them up. And we did that in black. And then I found these hangers at Hobby Lobby. They were 50% off. I believe they were probably about $5, 50% off. So I got each one for $2.50. You want to measure your board and make sure that they're all, in a spot that is, measured equally on either side. And we just use a DeWalt battery-operated drill to screw them in. I can't remember if screws came with this hardware. It may not have, so just keep that in mind. Then we went to our computer and printed out these cute little signs to put in the slots of the hardware. And this is the hanger that we use to hang it. If you enjoyed this video, go check us out on YouTube, chalkitupfancy.com for your painting needs.